Good morning, good morning. All right, so we've already got a lot of movement going on this morning, and just to show you guys what I have marked out here on the chart. So I've got NQ over here on the left, 4-hour time frame. Price pulling down. I'm gonna go to the daily chart. Price pulling down into a daily fair value gap. I know it's a little noisy. I got a lot of drawings on here, but took out previous day low, hitting a daily inefficiency, daily fair value gap. And now working back into the range. We also worked down and hit the -2, actually -4 standard deviation from the manipulation yesterday in the afternoon. So from here to here, before the sell-off, we came down to me completing the sell side of this curve, the market maker sell model. And now I'm looking for buy side of the curve. We gotta obviously wait. We gotta let this slow down. To me, we haven't really gotten any chance or opportunity. This is straight from 935 market open, basically straight up. Yeah, there's got to be some sort of a pullback in here before we can look for our low risk buy. So that's where I think we're headed on a higher time frame perspective. And I think we're part of a higher time frame market maker buy model. But yeah, I guess right now what I'd like to see would be a pullback. I don't think, well, let me put it this way. I guess, like I said, market maker buy model, I think this is now the lower time frame market maker buy model playing out. With this now being kind of that original consolidation right in here. We got London highs in here, Asia highs in here, and then this is a high nested inside of a balanced price range here from the end of the day yesterday. So that's really my objective for this morning would be how can we get in position to long into this buy side level. So with that being said, I'm going to mark this. I got to change all my fib settings on this ass. Okay, don't got to save nothing. So yeah, I want to see a pullback here into OTE of this range and then scale into lower time frames. Look for our entry in here. We'll see, man. We'll see. I think price could get real. I'm hoping we get that pullback because I'm thinking if price doesn't pull back and we just, you know, this ends up just being one face melting rally from open to this buy side level, man, there might not be a whole lot of opportunity left for the morning, if I'm being honest. I might do a little short, like sell to buy scenario here. I was gonna do 2 contracts. I'm just gonna do one because it's against the fact that I think we're a part of a bigger time frame market maker buy model. But entry is 2-minute order block, 1-minute fair value gap. Trying to get a quick little 1 to 2 on this. But yeah, otherwise SMT at the high with NQ. We do have a little SMT at the high here with ES here on the, if you zoom out, you can see it here.
Order filled.
All right, order filled, stop up here at the high. My TP's coming up. So risking 350 to make 700. Even 1 to 2. Just to be safe. Probably will take my stop or my risk off at the low here. Neither ES or NQ or anything is back to equilibrium yet. God candle. Holy bejesus. I'm going to close my trade. And I'm closing it because I'm actually looking to long this. I did not realize this was SMT with ES. Guess that's what I get for looking at Dow Jones. See if we leave this 2-minute gap open. I'd like to enter off of it. Well, it was a good idea to close the buy or the sell. Avoided a full stop out. I'm gonna move my limit up to this 1 minute gap. Still able to get close to 1 to 2 out of this. Come on, little fella. Back that Tonka truck on back for us. Man. I really hope this comes back. Yeah, this 2 minute gap, this initial gap we were trying to long from, never got traded into on either of these. Come on, guy. Don't be shy. Just going to leave limit where it is. It's on this lowest 1 minute gap. It's also right at the high end of this breaker. So I'm just going to leave it there. Right below equilibrium. But yeah, this is my profit target. So if that gets hit, I'm done. I'm not trading PM session. I'm probably done trading PM session for the foreseeable future. I can't be fucking sitting around all day staring at charts. I think we're getting left. There's still hope. Unless of course this fair value gap just, you know, finishes the job here. But we are pulling back into a 5 minute gap here soon, so I just hope we got the juice to get all the way down here into the OB. ES hitting the 5 minute fair value gap. I assume NQ might be as well now. Yep. That could be all she wrote. If it is all she wrote, I guess hindsight will tell us that the best possible entry would have been market executing right in, basically after seeing the inverse of this. If there was SMT at this low, I would consider hopping in, longing this inverse 30-second, removing risk here and just seeing if I can run it. But I don't see any SMT. This is the same low here, same on ES. Probably getting left behind. Well, that really sucks. Yeah, you know, the only thing left to do now is figure out what shotgun shell I would like to use on myself today.
Oh, well, pardon me, Mr. Perfect. I guess I forgot that you never ever make a mistake.
You go back where you fucking started, Luigi. Someone has to fucking flip the burgers, dumbass.
I volunteer as tribute. Well, guys, market maker buy model not complete on the daily, but that's the draw that I wanted for this morning. Fuck me. Well, objective met. That means my trading morning is over. Let me know if you guys have any questions on anything. Otherwise, this afternoon there's bonds, 10-year bond auction at 1 p.m. I wouldn't be surprised to just see really choppy action the rest of the day. Now that this is met, unless, I mean, if anything else, if nothing else, it'll just go the rest of the way up here to the previous daily high. But like, I'm not looking for a reversal right now, even though there is SMT with ES not taking those highs yet. But there might be a correction, but I still think we're part of a higher time frame market maker buy model. So yeah, I'm pretty disappointed I couldn't be part of that today. Right before I went to bed last night, marked up my chart. I'm like, oh yeah, this is gonna happen, ain't it? Woke up this morning, saw we were all the way down to -4. I'm like, this is gonna happen, ain't it? Get on the charts about 15 minutes into the open, and I'm like, oh fuck. Nancy Pelosi must have taken some calls. That has to be what happened. My goodness. Thursday, Friday. It's gonna have to be my claim to fame this week. Unemployment 30-year bond auction tomorrow. Also AM only for me. Like I said, I think I'm just gonna trade AM. I gotta stop trying to, like, I did make a small win yesterday in the PM, just a light little scalp, but yeah, man, I can't. It's just too much time on charts. It's over trading. Fucking feels like a job at that point. So I'm gonna go back to sticking what got me here, which is just focusing on one session and then being done no matter what. for the most part. So no PM session for me today or for the slightly foreseeable future, other than like FOMC. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for me for this morning. And yeah, we're gonna look to turn this week around here. End on a positive note here. The last couple days is the game plan. Enjoy your Wednesday, guys.